So we're just at IKEA in Belfast here, and we noticed that the old Schindler's been modernised in the car park to, it looks like another classic lift. Got like the buttons here for it. And your door and all too. Oh! Wow, it's a really fast door. Pretty much the same cab as the old one too.
Got the new fixtures in there.
Oh, it is classic.
What was the voice?
Yep. This one here is still original. Still the original Schindler, this one. Yeah, they haven't changed this one out yet, but they have the equipment out, so this one might be up next to go. Is that okay if I take a wee ride in it?
Oh, let's go free.
See her. This could be our final ride in this thing, so.
Who's going to be final right this thing for this to also
Oh, whoa, one bite.
There's the capacity, 5,000 kilograms, 66 persons.
Oh, holy moly, no one out.
It usually does that when it's cold weather. I'll head back down. It's bright sun today. Yeah, the other one next door has been modernised to classic. This is the current update right now in the IKEA lift. This one could probably be next to go. This is the last Schindler.
Did you feel that one?
Yeah. I'm going to try and get the doors to close here. And there it goes. And that's it.